Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my name is Mike Searson. I am with Live Your Life Learning, learning to make your life better. This week, we look at the Twins Mom YouTube channel. The Twins Mom YouTube channel gives information on remote opportunities. The details about the YouTube channel is in the description below. Many of the details on many of the YouTube thumbnails on this YouTube channel will have, first, a picture of the presenter on the YouTube video, and second, many videos will give details about remote opportunities. For example, give information about the rate of pay. The website connected with the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel has a website connected to it. The website is called Secure the Job Kit. The details to the web address is in the description below. You must sign up for a community on the Secure the Job Kit website. You may have to pay to join the community. I did not see any access to a listing of job opportunities or other resources without signing up for the community. Please evaluate the information yourself to determine if the services would help you. The Twins Mom YouTube channel provides information on different remote opportunities. You may find your next remote opportunity on the Twins Mom YouTube channel. The purpose of the content is to provide insight, research, and opinion, not to provide professional, legal, or tax advice. Please see an individual expert for individual guidance. Thanks for listening. Thank you.